Alright, so what we'll do is we'll start with the game's third-person template, and then we'll create a sample project. You can say it Spark Effect or whatever you want in here, and then we'll go ahead and click create. Make sure you are including start content on there, and yeah, once the Unreal is loaded, we'll just go to create, and then we'll actually create a box trigger. You might have to press the space bar to get this search menu in that create menu up there. So go ahead and click this trigger box and place the trigger box where you want to, like you can customize where you want the player to step on, and based on that you want to produce that sparks effect. Okay, so I'll let you play with it, customize it. I'll move it inside within the level. I was having some issue actually not seeing my cursor. Maybe that's just a GPU thing. I might have to update my GPU, but yeah, it was a little tricky. So I'll actually edit and make sure you don't see that. But yeah, it's up to you like how you want to put it. So I'll go ahead and click create this edit, and here you go. I placed it right here, so you can change the scale of the trigger box. And yeah, it should be resized and positioned. So once you have that, then you should be good to go. Now with this selected, what we'll do next is go to the level blueprint, and I think you should be able to find that next to the create menu as well. So make sure your trigger box is selected. With that selected, let's go to the yeah, right there should be a open level blueprint. Yeah, so in the level blueprint, what we'll do is we'll right click. So it's very context aware, so it will know what we clicked on the level editor. So once we have that, what we'll do is right click on this level editor, and let's see here, there you go. Once this is, we right click, then we should be able to say add on actor begin overlap. So that should be under the add event for trigger box. So there you should see something like that, and then go ahead and select the context menu, which is context option, add on actor begin overlap. Okay. Once you have that, now we'll go back to the level editor because we want to bring in this spark effect. So that should be inside the starter content blueprint. Then there's a spark effect blueprint. Once you selected that, click on the spark, and inside the detail pan, select the auto. There should be something called auto activate. So we don't want auto activate, so we'll disable that, and we actually want the actor to activate it. Right when the actor steps on that box, play the sparks effect. That's what we want, and that's what we are going to do. So once we have that selected and we are good, and make sure your the spark effect is adjusted properly as well inside in it. So basically blueprint effect spark, it's just custom pre-made effects from the Unreal Engine starter pack. So we are just using that for the purpose of this demo, just so that you can learn about the trigger and all of that concepts. Okay, so yeah, once we drag it and we have created the instance of it, now with the blueprint spark effect selected, let's go to the level editor. Okay, again we are going to use a context aware. It is context sensitive, so it will generally give us a way to reference it. So you should be able to see an option called create a reference to blueprint effect sparks or something like that. Yep, there you go. That's the one you want, and just go ahead and click on it, and we have that. Now from the blueprint, this pin, you can click on activate and activate spark. So if you were to find it, you should be able to find this. Okay, now it automatically converts that from different data type to the activate, and then next you just got to plug in from on actor begin overlap to the activate. That's all you need actually to run this effect. Very quick short tutorial, sorry. That's what I mean. So go ahead and play this. Once you play this, now when I, as an actor, go near to it, then it activates the spark effect, right? Once again, I will show you, oh, it is already activated, so I will go ahead and restart my game, and then show you that if I were to go near to it, maybe from the top, we'll do a jump here, and then see if it does. So with reference to the Blueprint Effects Spark, so we'll activate it on actor begin overlap event. So that's what it is happening in here. Hopefully you were able to understand how to create the simple spark effect on overlap. Maybe also understand some basic concepts of how to activate some sort of effect using a trigger. Hope that helps. Let me know in the comments, and happy to take on other requests as well.